Standing on a small island in the Svartån River at the heart of Örebro, Örebro Castle has guarded central Sweden for more than 7 centuries. Surrounded by water on all sides, the castle evolved from a medieval defensive tower into one of Sweden's best preserved Renaissance fortresses. The origins of the castle date to the late 13th century, when a defensive tower was built under the direction of Birger Jarl to protect an important river crossing. Over the following centuries, successive Swedish monarchs expanded the stronghold into a formidable castle controlling trade and communication across central Sweden. During the reign of the Vasa kings in the 16th century, Örebro Castle was transformed into a magnificent Renaissance residence. Thick stone walls, 4 imposing corner towers, and elegant royal apartments replaced many of its earlier medieval features, making it both a royal residence and an important administrative center. Throughout Swedish history, the castle hosted royal meetings, political negotiations, and even sessions of the Swedish parliament. One of its most significant moments came in 1810, when the Riksdag of Örebro elected Charles XIV John, formerly the French Marshal Jean-Baptiste Bernadotte, as Crown Prince of Sweden, founding the Bernadotte dynasty that still reigns today. Örebro Castle is also surrounded by legends of unexplained footsteps, mysterious figures, and ghostly sightings reported over the centuries. While no evidence confirms these tales, they have become part of the castle's enduring folklore, earning it a reputation as one of Sweden's most famously haunted castles and adding another layer to its rich medieval history. Today, Örebro Castle houses museums, exhibitions, guided tours, and ceremonial events, while remaining the iconic landmark of the city. Rising from the waters of the Svartån River, the fortress continues to tell the story of Sweden's medieval beginnings, royal ambitions, and enduring legends.